What's up guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this one it's going to be about how you can make your first dollar on the internet. It's going to be a very good video. We are going to talk about the 5 ways, all methods you can make your first dollar on the internet if you're out there. But definitely thank you very much for keeping it locked on this channel, and I'm excited for this one. Let us get into the first one. People are flaunting it. It is being a virtual assistant. I think anybody can be a virtual assistant, and you just have to pursue it. That is our number 5 spot. Be a virtual assistant. Go and apply to companies. It is actually like having a job, but remote. That is what it mainly does. It's simple, easy, anyone can do. Just go onto some of the websites that I can give you. Time, then Zicho. Those are all websites that you can go into doing virtual assistant work. You can reach out to small businesses and in your community, all away from your community, because it is an internet era. So you can go and do virtual assistant work anywhere on your computer. As long as you have internet, mobile phone, or a laptop, you're good to go. That is our number 5 spot. And our number 4 pick for how to make your first dollar on the internet is drop shipping or selling merch. Like, drop shipping is easy also, depending on your location, right? For example, in Africa it's still hard, drop shipping, but in modern places it is very, very much easy. You just sit on your computer and arrange, organize. When you grow, you can meet the suppliers, but if you're still small, you just have to do everything online. So those that can get into drop shipping, go ahead. It's also the same as e-commerce. It is actually buying and selling products online, making sure you source them from the suppliers and then ship them to clients or buyers, but you don't have to ship them yourself. Everything is done online, simple and easy. You have to be very specific with your niche. Choose a good one that is going to make you profits. Market on social media. The mostly people get from is AliExpress, and you can do it with Google ads, social media advertisement. You can do it on Shopify or WooCommerce. Both of these websites are actually good in doing e-commerce and drop shipping. Drop shipping is not dead actually. You can take part in it at any time that you want. You can get into drop shipping and become one of the best in the business. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do drop shipping. Some have got a lot of success in there. I've seen YouTube. I've seen a guy, from the Netherlands. I think he's like Onuha. He's very successful in the drop shipping business. There are plenty of others that are successful in drop shipping. That will lead us to our number 3 pick. Do online tutoring. Choose a subject that you want to tutor people in. I choose money. So if you want me to tutor, you go into my Patreon, my Discord. We shall talk there. But pick a subject. Let it be math, science, English, social studies, making money, motivation, health, exercising. It's vast. The internet has a million jobs for people, and you could get one of those. So online tutoring is a very, very lucrative business online. You can set up your schedules, set your prices, create engaging lesson plans, sell courses. I can mention a lot of things. We can stay here for 3 hours and I'll still mention more. But try to also market yourself worldwide. You can get students from China, you can get students from the US, from Asia, from Africa. Everywhere has a lot of potential. Therefore, online tutoring comes at my number 3 spot. That is online tutoring. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more of these methods that I'm giving you. Operation, everyone is going to make money and also enjoy their freedom, because working online is one of the greatest things that has happened to the human race right now. Although there are robots that are going to do our work at home, like cooking food, Do these robots cook like, you could have a chef Golden Ramsay in your kitchen. These robots, I think they could be a chef. Wow. Anyway, as long as they don't get burnt. But that was our number 3 online tutoring. Let us not get astray. That I was distracted because lately I've been thinking about these robots and Elon Musk's Teslas. You will see that on the channel a lot. And let us jump into our number 4 pick. We are getting into the juicy ones. The juicy ones, number 4 is starting a blog or a YouTube channel or social media. It's vast. People are earning on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever apps there are. There is this one, Telegram. People are earning a lot of money from all these apps. Therefore, you could be part of it. You could be part of earning online. Choose a niche that you're very passionate about. I'm passionate about finance and mental health because I'm a counselor and I like money, right? I do like money sometimes. Create valuable content and be consistent. Like, the content you have to create has to help someone out there. You see, the videos I've been making help one person or two, and that is enough, right? Just help someone out there that could be struggling, that could be going through a tough time. Help them, build themselves as you're also building yourself. So you have to, in this niche, in this category, you have to build yourself over time. It's not the easiest, but you have to do it over time and also grow your audience, right? Then when you grow your audience, you can monetize at these different platforms. Currently, I'm monetized on YouTube and also working, right? So it is something really good to try and do something you're passionate about, and also sell digital products, get sponsorships, do affiliate marketing, put ads on Google. That's what most people focus on. But all these 4 come in when you grow your audience on YouTube. You could get sponsored by brands. You could sell digital products. You could do affiliate marketing. And of course, the Google ads that come in that most people really want. I also want them because they are sweet, when they advertise on your channel. Anyway, that is our number 2nd pick, which is start a blog. People still read blogs up to now. Start an email list. Then our number 1 pick is freelancing, and this is also huge. There are websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Upskill, Freelancer. All these ones you can build on a profile and provide value for people. Whatever you do, teaching, you can be an accountant, you can be a digital creator, you can be a website builder, you can be anything actually. And freelancing is one of the best things that can happen to you. That is why I actually put it at number 1, because from it you can start making money today. Whereas YouTube, you have to build over time, and blogging, you have to build an audience. But here you just need one audience, one person to believe in your work. This also includes doing your own personal projects, which is freelancing. It's like trading. You can trade any sort of asset out there and you can be successful at it from day one. Yeah, you could do trading, you could do crypto, you could do all these things all in one. Therefore, you can look out for freelancing. It is such a good field. I'm a counselor by profession, and I'm also on these websites. I'm on these platforms. So that is our number 1 pick. You can make plenty of money on there. You can pay your bills, save some, and also you keep some for daily, use. But identify your skills. Like, some are writers, some do graphic design, some are programmers, some are traders, some are teachers, others are doctors, others are content creators, others are engineers, farmers. It's too much, it's a lot. But create a profile on these platforms. Make sure you set up your profile really nice, take some professional photos, and build a portfolio showing your work. Like, try to record a video that you put on these websites that, My name is Joseph Katumba. I'm a counselor and I can help you go through your hardships. Please book a free call with me and we can get talking about how best we can help you deal with your situation. Record a video like that, put it on these websites, and people are going to book calls with you. Alrighty? Start bidding on projects. There are a lot of people who need these services. You just have to look. The internet has millions of people who are looking for your service out there. You just have to look in the right place at the right time, and you could win a project. Deliver quality work and build your reputation. That is freelancing. Those who can trade also learn the skill of trading. It is one of the best you can do for yourself. All right, these are the 5, right? I think I've given you the 5, and I think those are the best because most I've tried, like YouTube, trading. I've tried those, and I'm going to make more videos about them. But one thing you have to remember is success doesn't come overnight, guys. It takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of dedication, patience. Start small and grow each day. Grow each day. Start building up a skill, because we are in this for the future. If you're not in this for the long run, it's going to be tough. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.